Learn the weather vocabulary in English quickly and easily. Know the essential words of the weather in English. Are you ready to take the first step? So, let's begin. Sunny, sunny. Today is a sunny day. Rainy, rainy. It's raining outside. Rainbow, rainbow. After the rain, we saw a beautiful rainbow. Cloudy, cloudy. The sky is cloudy today. Windy, windy. It's very windy outside. Cyclone, cyclone. The cyclone caused widespread damage. Puddle, puddle. Watch out for the puddles after the rain. Snowy, snowy. The ground is covered in snowy white. Thunder, thunder. We heard loud thunder during the storm. Stormy, stormy. The weather is stormy and unpredictable. Cold, cold. Bundle up, it's really cold outside. Hot, hot. It's so hot, let's go to the beach. Foggy, foggy. The fog makes it difficult to see ahead. If you want to learn English easily and quickly, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our next video that I'm leaving you around here.